Good day, Getter. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mega Trade Hall 2 dito sa SM Mega Mall, 5th floor. Yan, meron kasing up to 80% off sale si Sports Central from March 13 to March 17, 2024. Ayan, up to 80% off sale daw. Okay, pasok na tayo. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano yung mga stocks nila saka magkano na lang. Okay, nandito na tayo sa loob. So, maganda nakasegregate yung mga sizes. Mayroon din mga apparels, shirt, sportswear, mga socks. Ayan. Nakasegregate na yung mga sizes nila. Meron din slide. Okay, check na natin. Ayan, ito yung mga slides nila, Nike. So, 1,137 na lang. Ito, 1,680. Ayan, mga size, mga slide na available. Merong Puma, 840 na lang, Puma na slide. Nike, 1,137. Ito, iba pang slide ng Nike. 1,137. May Puma Under Armour din. 647 na lang to. Itong Puma, walang price. Okay, ito small sizes. 1,647. Skechers. Merong Reebok. Yan, mga 1,248 yung presyo. Kabila ito, may Converse pa. 2,320. Converse for women's. Yan, Nike for women's, 1,878 na lang. Ito, 1,478. Mga Nike for women's. Ito, 2,428. Ito naman, mga Adidas for women's, 3,300. Ito, 1,997. Under Armour, 2,397. Yan, mga Under Armour for women's, 2,147. Ito naman, Reebok for women's, 2,577. 2,397. Mga Reebok for women's, ito 1,797 lang. Adidas Superstar for women's, 3,180. Yan yung mga available colorways. 3,000. Under Armour, 1,796. So, ayan yung mga available for Under Armour for women's. Ito, almost 50%. From 3,018 na lang. Adidas for women's ulit. Air Max for women's, 3,117. Adidas Superstar, 2,650.
Other participating brands. NBA.
Ito, may Trae Young 2, Trae 2.
Paging Joel Miligrito.
4,200 na lang.
Customer service counter, please.
Almost 50%. Trae 5, 2,877. Cosmic 3, 4,197 pa. Ito, may Air Max pa, Nike Air Max. System, 3,057. Okay, mga Under Armour. Ranges 2,997. Yan, mga Under Armour. Skechers, 1,700. Ranges ng price. Ito, 3,496. GT Jump 2, 4,947. Yan. Adidas na BYW, 4,250. Yan, pang basketball. Adidas. KD16, 5,876 na lang. Yan, KD16. Under Armour, 3,397. Merong available Quick 5, 4,257. AD16, 5,876. Ito, GT Hassel 2, 5,637. Merong Carry 2 Flow Throw from 9,500, 5,570 na lang. Another Carry shoes, 4,196 na lang. Ayan, ito pa yung kanina Carry 2 Flow Throw, 5,517. Almost 50% off. Ito Adidas pang lifestyle shoes, nasa 5,000 pa. Ito din Canvas, 3,300. Ray Thompson KT8, 6,296. $6,296. Asics ranges 3,354. Reebok na bigger size, 6,296. Bigger size pang basketball, 8,937 na lang. GT Hassel 2, 5,637. Okay, ito may available na tray 2 for bigger sizes, 5,100. Another tray 2 yellow. Meron din Carry, Under Armour, around 4,100. Ito merong Carry 2, Splash Party, 4,597. Ayan, mostly the tray 2 yung nakasale, almost 50% off, 4,200. BYW, 5,100. For Under Armour, yan Carry 2, Splash Party. Yan mga Carry shoes, Under Armour, 4,197. 3,997 na lang. Different bags din. Jordan bags, 2,876. May Under Armour, may Converse, and Under Armour. Another Jordan bag, pang kids ata ito. 3,300. Yung mga short din, tingnan natin magkano price. 1,200. May ranges ng shirt, Under Armour, Adidas, Nike. So, naka-segregate per size, small, medium, large. Ito, 847. Nike shirt. Kaya maraming pagpipilian. And naka-segregate na from small, medium, large. Adidas, 1,260. Mga socks, 50% off daw. NBA socks, so 400, 3 pieces na. Different colors, yan, mga NBA socks. Only 400 pesos. Okay, ayan girters. So, mostly nalipot natin lahat. Pero visit nyo na lang din dito sa Mega Trade Hall 2, SM Mega Mall, 5th floor. Ayan, may mga socks, slides, apparels, t-shirt, shorts, mga bags. Saka nakasegregate na yung mga sizes. So, madali lang hanapin, saka tignan yung kung anong sizes kayo. And mostly running shoes. Meron namang konting lifestyle and basketball shoes din. Makita natin Trae Young and Under Armour ni Stephen Curry. Yan. Sports Central Mega Sale. Okay, ayan, nandito na ulit tayo sa labas. Ayan, promote lang din natin Sports Central up to 80% off from March 13 to 17. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and God bless everyone.